Hey guys, so there is again two big recruitment updates from Paytm. The biggest attraction is that they are calling for freshers. So we are going to see about the details of these two Paytm recruitments in today's video. So let's have a look on the first recruitment, which is for Associate Service Operations. So clearly in the title itself, they have mentioned that it is for BTech freshers. So any stream of BTech is eligible here and freshers are eligible. Okay. So the location for which they are hiring is Kolkata, West Bengal. Okay, so it is a full-time job and also currently you can expect work from home. So don't worry about the location and all. Now let's have a look on what is the expectations and requirements. That is, what is the educational requirements which they are looking for in the candidate. So the expectation is that you should be having a basic idea about the telecom industry. You should be having a good knowledge of Microsoft Office, which everybody will be having. Knowledge of SQL will be an advantage. Otherwise also you can apply, because in the title itself they have mentioned it is for freshers. Okay, you should be a self-motivator and a team player. Basic knowledge of networking would be an advantage. Need to deliver task on time. Okay, so these are the basic requirements. Now the educational requirements is 0 to 2 years of experience in MySQL. Again, 0 years of experience is also eligible, and up to 2 years of experience is also eligible. Okay, BTech freshers can apply, and also decent knowledge in Linux and MySQL is required. Okay, so this is the main requirements. Now talking about Paytm, it is a one of the biggest financial service companies of India, and they are offering full stack payments and financial solutions to customers of offline merchants and online platforms. We actually a lot of people, actually most of the people use Paytm nowadays, whether it is in the online shop or whether it is for online transactions. Okay, so everybody use Paytm nowadays, and if you are interested in working with Paytm, you can actually apply for this post and you can join as Associate Service Operations. Okay, so if you are interested in working with Paytm, you can actually work in the service operations area as a fresher. Okay, so this is the first recruitment which is from Paytm. The next recruitment is actually a QA engineer or a QA testing job. The location is Bangalore, and this is again a full-time job. What is the requirements? Let's have a look on the requirements. So very familiar with application testing in smartphones. So this is basically a smartphone based testing. Good at test and defect documentation, exposure to automation tools and basic programming knowledge. So these are the requirements. And also, if you have, preferably if you have worked with Jira and bug tracking softwares, that is again an added advantage. And on top of that, you should be having written and verbal communication skills. Okay, so these are the requirements here. And also, if you are having various monitoring tools like Chars, Postman, etc., these are some network monitoring tools. Okay, so if you have worked in these tools or if you have knowledge about these tools, then again you will get more preference. Responsibilities also they have given here. So if you are joining this job role, you will be writing and executing manual test cases for mobile apps, ability to translate business requirement into test cases, extensive knowledge in building detailed test cases, developing automation test scripts, ability to work independently with minimal supervision. This is your responsibility or your job description. Okay, so from the job description and also from the requirements, we could clearly understand that this is a testing job. You will be testing mobile applications. So if you have previously worked as a QA person or if you have previously worked in the QA area, then that will be more good, or you will get more preference. Okay. So this is the two recruitment updates. Now talking about the selection process, we know it will be consisting of aptitude tests and then technical rounds, and technical rounds will be depending on whichever job role you are applying for. If it is for service operations, the questions will be mostly from the networking side, and all basic questions will be there. And since it is a fresher recruitment, it will be consisting of more questions from your resume itself. Now for the second role in the technical rounds, you can expect questions mostly from the testing side. Okay, so this is the second stage, which will be testing, which will be technical rounds. The last stage is going to be a HR discussion. Okay, so this is going to be the 3 stages of selection. Talking about the salary, you can expect minimum 30,000 in these job roles. Paytm is also a very good company to start your career. It is actually having a lot of demand because most of the people are using Paytm nowadays. So they are in demand of more employees. So if you are interested, you can definitely apply here. So go to the links. Both the links I'll be putting in description. You can apply for whichever role you are interested in. So that's all for today's video. I have tried to give you maximum informations about both the roles. Talking about the one more thing I want to tell you, that if you are interested in the job roles, you can see a blue color icon here. Just click on this. You can see apply for this job. Okay. So just click on this icon and you will be redirected to the application form. Just fill up the application form. That is the application process. Okay. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.